One of the most envious and jealous people that you can ever come across is academics. Highly educated people, a lot of them, not all, but a lot of them are the most jealous people you can ever come across. They specifically think that they know everything, they understand things better than everyone, and they know what are the metrics of being successful. They have all the codes of being hyper successful. But what I find weird about all of them is that they always want to tell people how to live their lives and want to push a specific ideology of how success is and all of those things. But the question still remains. Why aren't all of them rich? Why aren't all of you guys rich? If you guys understand the formula of success. Academics are the most jealous people you can ever come across. Another one that I know, this guy is an accountant. I happen to be fortunate to have friends that are doing well for themselves. Me, I'm out with my boy. We are in his very nice car. Few days later, after him viewing and liking my status, this guy then says and posts that a Porsche is a poor man's car. I was like, what? And I asked him, okay, why do you say that a Porsche is a poor man's car? He's like, nah, people who don't have money, they buy Porsches. I'm like, dog, are you serious? Because I asked him, like, okay, do you have a Porsche? And I realized that the disease with a lot of them is the instance of access. A lot of them don't have access to some of the things that they aspire. They can put up all the codes and tell you all the motivational things of how to be hyper successful. But a lot of them don't know rich people. A lot of them don't have access to rich people. So they hate the fact that you might be less intellectual or whatever the case may be, or you less educated than them, and then your circle is better than their circle. And then they utter out such things. Another one is the other guy. This guy sees that, me, I'm with my people, my other person is wearing a Rolex. This guy says to me, no, people who buy expensive watches are stupid people. They don't know how to use their money. I'm like, dog, are you fucking serious? And this is the same person that said to me that I would never spend my money on a very expensive car. Guess what they did? They went and bought an expensive car. It is this metric of talking out people out of things because they want them. They want those very same things, but they cannot attain it. And they want to scrutinize and judge people who are able to have access, or people who are able to afford those things, and tell them how stupid those circle of friends that you are in are. Guys. Academics. And it's because of a simple thing. This educational system and the workplace environment is designed to be competitive. So they are low-key competing with everyone to be the biggest cat in the zoo. And they don't even see that they are the most hateful and bashful people you can ever come across. And they think they breathe a different oxygen than everybody else. And they are as poor as everybody else. They are struggling like everybody else. But their pride will never show them that thing. They think they know things better than everyone. But the reality and their affordability says otherwise. Because most of them are struggling. Most of them, they are in debt. They cannot afford to do things. Mutu has worked for almost 10 years. They've never went on a vacation. But they will tell you how success looks like. Lona, Lona has turned you guys into the most vile and jealous people out there.